Hey guys, I'm Lulu. In this video, we'll install wheel spacers on this Maserati Levante. So what is the safe size of these wheel spacers? Let's go.
Using a metal ruler, place a straight edge on the outer part of the rims where the wheel comes closest to the fender. Then measure from the outside wheel to the straight edge. This distance is the size spacer you need to achieve the look that flushes or nearly flush with the fender line.
BONOSS owns an independent OEM factory, so their custom wheel spacers can be completed within 3 days. OEM and ODM is available. If you are looking for an unusual thickness or bolt pattern conversion to fit custom wheels, BONOSS offers non-normal thickness customized service. 3 mm thick to 160 mm thick are available. There are a large amount of options with our customized PCD conversion wheel adapters.
So that's all for today's video. If you want to get this BONOSS half century wheel spacer, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.